These cold weather neck gaiters are a must-have accessory for any man braving the chilly winter months. There are many products available to choose cold weather neck gaiters, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best cold weather neck gaiters from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. 2-Pack Winter Neck Gaiter Warmer. The Lulil VOE Neck Gaiter is designed to keep you warm in cold weather. Its high-quality polyester and spandex outer layer, combined with a soft fleece lining, protects your face, neck, and ears from harsh winds and chilly temperatures. This versatile accessory can be worn in multiple ways, including as a face mask or scarf, giving you flexibility based on your needs. With its 4-way stretch, it fits comfortably on most head sizes without slipping off. Perfect for outdoor activities like skiing, running, or hiking, this gaiter ensures you stay cozy while enjoying your favorite sports. Number 2. Tough Headwear Half Ski Mask. The Tough Headwear Winter Face Mask and Ski Mask Neck Gaiter is a versatile accessory designed to provide protection from the cold weather. It features a premium thermal fleece lining that retains heat and blocks wind chill, providing ultimate warmth in temperatures as low as 30 degrees Fahrenheit. The breathable fabric wicks away moisture and prevents stuffiness, while the mesh breathing panels increase airflow and minimize condensation on your goggles. The gaiter comes with slots for your ears, accommodating all head shapes and sizes. It can be worn over your mouth and nose as a face mask or pulled down and worn as a neck gaiter, making it perfect for skiing, snowboarding, motorcycle or bike riding, ATVing, hunting, construction, warehouse work, and shoveling snow. Number 3. DG Hill Winter Neck Warmer. Stay warm and comfortable during outdoor winter activities with DG Hill Thermal Fleece Neck Gaiters. The pack includes 2 multifunctional neck warmers that can be worn as a winter scarf or as a face mask. The neck gaiters are lined with soft and breathable Sherpa fleece, providing double-layer protection from the cold wind. They are perfect for skiing, cycling, snowboarding, and other cold weather sports. The gaiters come in 2 packs of stylish colors, including gray, black, blue and purple, brown and black, blue and gray, pink and cream. Number 4. Bayleaf Fleece Neck Gaiter. The Bayleaf Fleece Neck Warmer is designed to keep you cozy in cold weather. Made from 100% polar fleece, it offers exceptional warmth and softness while being anti-static to prevent annoying shedding. The adjustable drawcord ensures a snug fit for various head sizes, allowing you to tighten it for extra warmth or even transform it into a hat. Its versatile design means you can wear it as a neck gaiter, face mask, or beanie, giving you multiple options for protection against the chill. Finally, the soft fleece material is safer than traditional scarves, reducing the risk of tangling while you enjoy outdoor activities. Number 5. KGC 2-Pack Winter Neck Warmer Gaiter Fleece Windproof Face Mask. The KGC 2-Pack Winter Neck Warmer Gaiter is a soft and warm neck gaiter made of polyester and spandex fabric, perfect for keeping your face, neck, ear, and nose from the cold and wind during winter outdoor sports activities. It is a versatile neck warmer that can be used as a face cover, half balaclava, beanie, ski mask, pirate hat, scarf, or skiing helmet liner. It is suitable for both men and women, and the elastic fabric can stretch up to 40 centimeters. The product also comes with a satisfaction guarantee.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.